Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in DocuSign Inc. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in DocuSign Inc., begin by researching the company to understand its business model and market position. Visit the official DocuSign website to gather information about their services and latest updates. Next, look at the company's financial performance over the past few years. Review their quarterly earnings reports, which can be found on financial news websites or the investor relations section of their website. Analyze key financial metrics such as revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow. Consult expert analyses and ratings from financial analysts to gauge market sentiment. Identify which brokerage platform you will use to purchase DocuSign shares. Consider well-known platforms like E-Trade, Robinhood, or Charles Schwab for their user-friendly interfaces. Create an account with your chosen brokerage by providing the necessary personal and financial information. After your account is set up, fund it through your bank account using electronic transfer or a wire. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search bar within the platform and type in DocuSign or its stock ticker symbol, DOCU. Review the current stock price and track its performance over the past weeks or months. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy and budget. Place a market order if you want to buy shares at the current price, or a limit order if you want to set a specific price point. Confirm your purchase and monitor the transaction to ensure it completes successfully. After buying shares, keep track of DocuSign's performance and news updates related to the company. Consider setting up alerts through your brokerage to stay informed about significant price changes. Regularly evaluate your investment to determine if you want to hold, sell, or buy more shares. Finally, stay educated about the industry and economic factors that may impact DocuSign stock in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.